Alright, so in this video I'll show you how to cancel your Shopify subscription in 2026. If you no longer want to run your store or want to pause your plan, this guide will help you do it step by step. Yeah, so let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your Shopify account. Once you're inside your dashboard, you're ready to manage your subscription. Now from the left-hand menu, click on Settings. This is where all your store configurations are located. Next, click on Plan or Billing. This section shows your current subscription details and payment plan. Now scroll down until you see the option that says Cancel Subscription or Deactivate Store. Click on it to continue. After that, Shopify may ask you to choose a reason for cancellation. Select the option that best matches your situation. Next, you may be given options like pausing your store instead of fully canceling. Choose carefully based on your needs. Now confirm the cancellation by following the on-screen's instructions. You may need to enter your password to verify. Once confirmed, your store subscription will be canceled, and billing will stop according to Shopify's policy. And that's it. Your Shopify subscription has been successfully canceled. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Shopify guides like this. I'll see you in the next one.